Well, hello. I just want to make a quick sort of message out really to say that my shoemaking book is on Amazon UK at the moment at only £11 and 3 pence. So now's your chance if you want it. Amazon apparently does this now and again if a book is selling particularly well, and this is selling well. So I don't know how they're doing it at the price, frankly, but yeah, UK Amazon £11 and 3 pence. Just so you know, I've had a few queries from people, which countries can you get this in? Is on Amazon UK, USA. I've also set it for pretty well all of Europe and Canada as well. Unfortunately, I can't get it onto Australia. I'm just limited by what Amazon allows. So, but it is Germany, France, Spain, Netherlands, Italy, Poland, Sweden, Canada, UK, USA. It should be around all of those. And just again, to give you a bit of an idea of sort of what's inside it, it's quite a big book and it's full of lots of pictures. So it basically takes you through the whole sort of process. And I've tried to put pictures in at every stage. So there's diagrams, how to make a pattern that works. It's quite a challenge. All things like seam turning there and sewing up bits. I cover hand sewing, machine sewing, and then into things like strengthening top lines. I really have tried to get as many photos in here as possible, how to get your eyelets in. And as you can see, it's quite sort of detail at each stage. So that's all broguing, etc. in there. And it carries on. So I really have put in a lot. So far some very good reviews, which I'm very grateful for. So if you have got the book, I'd appreciate any further reviews. It just helps other people as well make a good sort of choice when they're trying to look for a leather book. But I've tried here to get something which, if you're wanting to get into shoemaking, it will give you a good foundation to make some nice shoes. Anyway, there you are. UK at the moment, probably won't last for more than a day or two possibly, but it's a bargain. Okay, thanks so much for everyone who's bought a copy. I'm very grateful for that. It's doing well. It's great fun. So a year's work, but I'm pleased with it. And that's the back of it. Okay, thanks then. Bye-bye.